Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write text in flowchart shape in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to write the text into flowchart shape. At first, go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu. Now I am select the flowchart shape. We can see here many shape. You can add any shape. Now I am select this. Then draw the shape to this page. Now you can see here the shape. You can write anything. Click right button and choose the edit text option and write your text. Then select the text, click double click and go to the home menu. Then increase the size of the font, applying the bold or applying another effect. Now I am create another shape. Now I am create another flowchart shape. Select this and draw the shape to this page. Click right button and select the edit text option, then write another text. Then select the shape and increase the size of font. You can change the color, otherwise change another thing. Now we can see we write text into flowchart shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.